screen.
Mm-hmm.
So let me see if I can get a better angle. Does that look like it's connected up top? It's kind of hard to tell, huh?
Yeah, it's really hard to tell. Does it go any further, or is that about it?
That's about it. It doesn't. It's not. Let's see if I can.
I mean, if it wasn't connected, it wouldn't.
Yeah, it wouldn't be. It'd be flopping around.
Yeah. So it must be connected. Just maybe a little bit of an offset.
Yeah, because that's the housing up there. See daylight coming in. Kind of looks like, I don't know if that's a gap.
Or if it's tape or something.
Yeah, I can't go any further than that.
It's hard because it could also just be a bend that you can't get around.
Uh-huh.
And it's a flex pipe. Okay. But to me, it does look connected.
Yeah.
I do think that if you jostle it around, it would be.
Yeah, exactly. It just flop right off of there, huh?